Okay, fifth grade, today we're going to be doing language and we're going to be working on lesson 140. We're learning about dictionary and thesaurus. A dictionary is a book that just gives definitions. It tells you whether it's a noun or a verb or an adjective. It tells you how to pronounce it. It tells you how many syllables. A thesaurus is a book where a book of synonyms. So if you want to look up the word big, you would look it up like you were in a dictionary, and instead of giving the definition, it would give you a whole bunch of words to replace the word big, like huge, enormous, and so on and so forth. But the first thing we have to do is learn how to read a dictionary. Granted, you're not going to be using a dictionary that is tangible in your hands like I used to have to do, because you have it at your fingertips on the internet, but you still have to know how to read it and use it. So open up your books to page 154. If you don't have your book, you're not there yet, press pause and come back. All right, so 154 and 155. You can see on page 154, it looks like a dictionary would look. But on page 255, think. It says answer the questions from the dictionary page. So you're going to use both of these pages in conjunction with each other. It says, by looking at the pronunciations in parentheses, find 7 entry words with at least 4 syllables, and then list them on the lines below. Remember, a syllable is if you were to say something like satisfaction, satisfaction, satisfaction. It has 4 syllables, okay? So find satisfaction on page 254. It is in the first column, and it's the 3rd word from the bottom. You can see that it's broken up into 4 sections. S-A-T with a little dot in the middle, I-S with a dot in the middle, F-A-C with a dot in the middle, and T-I-O-N with a dot in the middle. That is the representation for 4 syllables. So you would write satisfaction on the line there. Okay, so your job is to find 6 more words with 4 syllables. Okay, go to number 2. It says place the accent mark after the accented syllable in the following words. If a word has more than 1 accent mark, mark clear which one is stronger by making it darker, okay? So let's look at sachet, okay? They have it written S-A. Okay, so find it in your dictionary. Okay, so it is, oh no, that's sassy. Oh, it's the very first word, sachet, okay? If you look in parentheses, it tells you how to pronounce it, but it also gives you the accent marks. It says sa with a lowercase a sound, and then it has shay with the line over the A making a long A sound, and it has an accent mark right there. So on 2A, you would simply just put a accent mark at the end. Okay, let's go to sachet again. You see it has a little V there, which means it is a verb, okay? And then if you go on to read, it says number 1, to move or walk in an easy or casual manner, and 2 would be to strut or flounce in a showy manner, okay? So some dictionaries give more than 1 definition, so you're gonna have to, because sometimes you may not understand the first definition, so they want to make it more clear in the second one. But move down to number 5 on page 255. It says write the second definition of the following words. So make sure you're writing the second definition, not the first one, okay? If I were you, I would highlight the word second so you don't mess up on that, okay? Look at number 3 on page 255. Write the words that are illustrated or have a picture. There are only 3 illustrations on page 254, so that should be pretty easy. And I taught you how to find whether it was a noun or a verb or an adjective. It's abbreviated in the word. Okay, number 6, it says answer these questions. Where does a satellite travel? So you're going to look up the word satellite. Okay, it says a celestial body that travels in an orbit around the planets, and then it says semicolon, a moon. So to answer that question, you would put around a planet or a moon. That's it. You're just answering questions given the definition. Okay? You don't really have to do number 7. Just go ahead and cross out number 7. And that's all we're doing today. So you're doing lesson 140, page 255, but you're going to use page 54 in conjunction. I hope that clears things up. Anyway, have a fabulous day. Love you, miss you.